Welcome to class students. In this class we discuss vectors, how to declare vectors in Verilog. Nets or register data types can be declared as vectors, or we can say multiple bit width. If bit width is not specified, the default is a scalar 1 bit. If you see an example, wire A corresponds to, you are defining a net with a name A whose size is 1 bit by default. Wire 7:0 bus, it indicates you are defining 8 bit bus. Bus width is 8 bit. Then wire 31:0, here you can observe you are defining 3 buses, bus A, bus B and bus B C, each of size 32 bit width. Wire means a net declaration, register means a register data type or variable declaration in Verilog. Register clock, so clock acts as a variable of size 1 bit. Register 0:40 virtual address, so here virtual address size is for total 41 bit. You can observe here a 7:0, here higher number first, then lower number, here lower number first and then higher number. Vectors can be declared at high:low or low:high numbers, but left number in the squared bracket is always the most significant bit of the vector. When you define 7:0, bus of 7 to bus of 6, bus of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, in that 8 bits, bus of 7 acts as MSB, bus of 0 acts as least significant bit LSB. In this declaration, virtual address 0 acts as an MSB, virtual address underscore ADDR 40 acts as LSB. So left number in the bracket 7 acts as a MSB, 0 acts as LSB. In this case 0 acts as MSB and 40 acts as LSB. So data that you are giving, you should give in regular notation, MSB then lower LSB. Here on left hand side LSB should be there, on right hand side MSB should be there. In this order you should give data to the variable. In the example shown above, bit 0 is the most significant bit vector of virtual address. Vector part select. For the vector declaration shown above, it is possible to address bits or parts of vectors. If you consider bus A of 7, here you are taking only part of the vector. Bus A is defined as, in earlier example, 31:0, so 32 bit. In that, out of 32 bits, you are selecting only 1 bit, that is bus A of 7. That is possible, part select. Or you can select set of bits, bus 2:0, so 3 bits, 3 LSB bits, location 2, 1, 0. So lower 3 bits, 3 LSBs of vector bus is considered by this declaration, bus of 2:0. Virtual address 0:1, so 2 higher bits, so 0 acts as an MSB here in this representation, 0 and immediately next bit, so 2 MSBs of vector virtual address is considered. So actually virtual address is defined as 0 to 40, 41 bit width, and here you are considering out of those only 2 bits. Some more example. Another ability provided in Verilog HDL is to have variable part selects of a vector. If you consider this notation, register 255:0 data 1, so higher number on left hand side, lower number on right hand side. This particular representation is known as little endian notation. So here on right hand side you have got lower number. So little endian notation. One more, register 0 colon 255 data 2. Here the 0th location will be MSB, 255th location will be LSB. This particular representation is known as big endian notation. One more, register 7 colon 0, 8-bit width with the name byte register you are defining. So if you understand this representation, okay, now we'll consider variable vector part select. So byte is assigned with, which is 8-bit, byte is 8-bit. Data 1 actual size is 256 bits. Out of 256 bits, if you observe, 31 minus colon 8. So total 8 bits you are assigning. Starting number will be 31. You are decrementing by 8. So 31 to minus 8. 31, including 31, 8 locations. So if you go, so you will get 24. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. So total 8 bits, 31 to 24, this data is assigned to byte. Similarly, 24 plus 8, starting number in data 1, starting number is 24 and you are incrementing by 8 location including 24. So that means again it is same as earlier notation. A data 1 of size 31 colon 24. So from this data 1, 31 to 24, from here also 31 to 24, data 1 which you are defined as 255 colon 0, in that 8 bits are selected which are from 31 to 24 and it is assigned to byte. If you see one more example, data 2 which is defined as 0 colon 255, here 31 minus means here lower number first and then 31, data 24 colon 31 in this order, lower number first then higher order number. Similarly, data 2 24 plus of 8 24 31. So 8-bit data between 24 to 31 from data 1 and data 2 24 to 31 you are assigning it to byte. So we are here trying to understand actual vector size of data 1 and data 2 is 256 bits. Out of those 256 bits, 8 bits you are collecting and that value you are assigning it to a byte which is defined as 8-bit register. We'll see next example. If you consider the next example, for j equal to 0, j less than equal to 31, j equal to j plus 1, byte, data 1, so byte we are defined as 8-bit, data 1 size is 256 bits. So when j is 0, for the first time when j is 0, 0 into 8 it will become 0, 0 plus 8 location means 7 to 0, 0 plus colon 8, 0 plus colon 8 means for data 1 it is 7 colon 0. When j becomes 1, it starts from 8, 8 plus again 8 locations including 8 means 15 colon 8. So every time what you are doing, 8 bits at a time you are collecting. First 7 colon 0, that value is assigned to byte, then 15 colon 8, that is overwritten, byte is overwritten with the next set of data. So 8 bits each out of 256, 8 bits each you are collecting and you are trying to assign byte in this case. So 8 bits at a time you are selecting from data 1 whose actual size is 256 bits. Data 1 byte number into 8. Say suppose if byte number is 1, 1 into 8 will become 8, 8 plus colon 8, So it will become 8 plus colon 8 for data 1. So including 8, again 8 location means 15 colon 8. So all those 8 locations, 8 tick B0. B0 means you are making all these 8 location data from data 1, locations 15 to 8, you are making 0, initializing to 0. Integer, real and time register data types. Integer is a general purpose register data type used for manipulating quantities. Integer are declared by the keyword integer. Although it is possible to use register as general purpose variable, it is more convenient to declare an integer variable for purposes such as counting. The default width for an integer is the host machine word size, which is implementation specific, but is at least 32 bits. Registers declared as data type register (reg) store values as unsigned quantities, whereas integers store values as signed quantities. If you consider notation integer counter, so you are defined counter, general purpose variable with a name counter you are defined, whose size is minimum 32 bits. It is similar to integer is similar to register 31 colon 0, then counter. Instead of register 31 colon 0 writing, we define directly as integer. Initial counter equal to -1. A negative 1 is stored in the counter. So initialize counter with -1. That variable is declared as integer and we have initialized with -1. We know that when we define integer counter, so it is used for signed calculation also, for signed quantities. Real number constants and real register data types are declared with keyword real. They can be specified in decimal notation, for example 3.14, or in scientific notation 3e raised to 6, which is 3 into 10 raised to 10 to the power 6. So it is printed as 106. Okay, typing mistake. It's supposed to be 3 into 10 to the power 6. Real numbers cannot have range declaration and their default value is 0. When real value is assigned to integer, real number is rounded off to the nearest integer. If you consider an example, real delta, so delta is defined as real type or floating type. Initial begin, delta is assigned with 4e to the power 10. Data is assigned in scientific notation. 4e 10 means 4 into 10 raised to 10. Next, delta is assigned with value 2.3. So real data you are trying to assign. Integer I, and I you are assigning delta value. Initially you are assigned delta with 4e to the power 10, that is 4 into 10 raised to 10. Then again next line you are assigned delta with 2.13. So delta will be having the new value, that is 2.13. Now here you are defining integer I, and for integer you are assigning real value. So I you are assigning 2.13. I gets a value of as 2, a rounded value of 2.13. 2.13 is rounded to 2. Verilog simulation is done with respect to simulation time. A special time register data type is used in Verilog to store simulation time. A time variable is declared with the keyword time. The width for time register data type is implementation specific but is at least 64 bits. The system function $time is invoked to get the current simulation time. If you consider an example, time is a data type, so it should begin with keyword time. Save underscore sim underscore time, it's a identifier name given. So define a time variable save simulation time. Initialize save simulation time with $time. $time means save the current simulation time. On simulation window you can observe various timings. See, the current simulation timing is stored in this particular time variable whose minimum size is 64 bits. Simulation time is measured in terms of simulation seconds. The unit is denoted by seconds, the same as real time. However, the relationship between real time in the digital circuit and the simulation time is left to the user or programmer. Next we consider an arrays. Arrays are allowed in Verilog for register, integer, time, real, vector, register, data types. On these things you can apply arrays. Multi-dimensional arrays can also be declared with any number of dimensions. Arrays of nets can also be used to connect ports of generated instances. Each element of the array can be used in the same as a scalar or vector net. Arrays are accessed by array name, then subscript. Similar to your C programming syntax, where you used to write a of 1, a of 0, a of I. So each element of an array you can access with the subscript. For multidimensional arrays, indexes need to be provided for each dimension. If you see example, integer count 0:7. Don't get confused with vectors and arrays. Vector means multiple width data type. Array means such different elements are created. For example, integer count 0:7 means count is a 32-bit register. Such 0 to 7 means 8 count variables you are defining. An array of 8 count variables you are defining. Count of 0, count of 1, count of 2, count of 3, count of 7, like that. So 8 count variables are defined, whose size is integer type. Integer type means default size is 32-bit, like that. Next example, if you consider register bool 31:0. Boolean register, 1-bit Boolean register variable. Such 32, an array of 32 1-bit Boolean register variables are declared. Time checkpoint 1:100. Array of 100 checkpoint variables. Register 4:0. 4:0 indicates width, that is 5-bit. Port ID is 0:7. Means an array of 5-bit width, 8 port IDs you are creating. Here we have made use of vector 4:0. Width size is 5-bit, and such 8 different ports you are defined. Integer matrix 5-bit 2-dimensional array 4:0, 0:255. Each of size, each of type integer means 32-bit. Register 63:0 means 64-bit array 4-dimensional. You are defining 4-dimensional array, each with location 64 bits. Wire 7:0, 8-bit width wire, an array of 8-bit vector wire. So 6 locations, 5:0. It is 2-dimensional array. This array